What's going on, everybody? Tina here, and in this video, we are going to talk about different rooms and equipments you can create and connect to specific calendars. Let's get into it. All right, being logged into your account, you just want to hover over to calendars and then calendar settings. And here you can see calendars, groups, service menu, rooms, and equipments. Okay. So some use cases of this could be if you're running retreats or if you're running a salon or a massage store or a pedicure store or maybe a conference, a gym, a yoga studio, maybe like a retreat, a fitness retreat away. So let's stick with that case study actually. So on the calendars, you would create a new calendar for each class offered. Let's say we are having a breathwork shop, and let's say we're having a high intensity workout with one of our teachers. So let me just delete that real quick to show you how we did that. Let's say we have two classes going on. One is a breath workshop with Renee, and then another one would be the high intensity workout with Matt. Let's create another calendar. And then you see this pop up coming, and then you want to select service calendar because it's a service. Name it high intensity workout. Mads is one of our staffs. So we assign the calendar to Mads, right? And then we name it as well. Hit workout Mads, for example. The service duration, the workshop is 60 minutes, and we hit confirm. So now you have the link to share with your people where they can book it. Let's preview real quick, just a normal calendar. However, we want to now connect rooms and equipments to this particular calendar. So let's say we need a specific room for Renee to conduct the breathwork session. We need a specific room for Mads to conduct his high intensity workout, right? So we will create a new room, hit create new room, name it high intensity workout Mads. And total capacity, we can enroll 20 people because we have space. We again assign the room now to Mads' workout, and then we hit create. This will really avoid double bookings, right? So now moving over to equipment, each of those instructors need equipment to fulfill the session, right? So for example, for the high intensity workout, we need bikes. Mads needs bikes in order to teach the people his training, right? And then Renee needs yoga mats to fulfill the breathwork session. So here we can hit edit. We can connect again the equipment to Mads' workout calendar. So total quantity, we have 18 available. However, two are out of service. So total we have 20, but only 18 are actually available to be used. So we hit save, and now you can see that here. So the equipment bikes, 18 bikes have been assigned to Mads, and 20 yoga mats have been assigned to Renee's breathwork shop. So really what this feature helps you to do is to avoid double bookings and to make sure that you always have enough equipment and enough space in your rooms for the dedicated person who is providing that service. I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video.